Welcome to this edition of the Market Opening Gong, the program that gives you updates from the Nigerian capital market. This edition captures the market performance for Monday, June 8, 2020. The equities market kicked off trading activities for the first day of the new week as NSE-ASI appreciated by 0.93% amid increased volume turnover as market sentiment and market breadth closed positive. Its year-to-date returns currently stands at minus 5.93%. From the Nigerian Stock Exchange, the all-share index closed at 25,249.90 basis points with a market capitalization of 13.17 trillion naira in 4,621 deals. At the close of trading for the day, investors gained 121.89 billion naira as market recorded 31 gainers to 11 losers. Wapik Insurance, Fitson Healthcare and Association Bus Company were top gainers for equity, while Japol Oil and Maritime Services, Cornerstone Insurance and Chams were among the top losers. FBN Holdings, Guarantee Trust Bank and Japol Oil were the top players in terms of trade volumes and most active to boost market turnover. Looking at the FMDQ OTC exchange, the debt market size closed at 28.75 trillion naira, the NAFEX rate closed at 386 naira 50 kobo to a dollar, while the I&E FX rate opened at 387 naira 46 kobo to a dollar and closed at 387 naira 33 kobo to a dollar. For the NASD OTC market, the NSI closed at 689.32 basis points with a market capitalization of 506.35 billion. The volume of shares traded was 133,450 and 7.581 million in terms of value traded in 7 deals executed for the day. You can also check for global, commodity, currency and other indices on the economic dashboard displaying on the screen. For the key highlights, BUA Cement PLC released its Q1 2020 unaudited results for the period ended March 31st, 2020. The key highlights are revenue grew by 25.1% to 54 billion naira from 43 billion naira in the previous quarter. Profits before tax grew by 15.7% to 20 billion naira. Profit after tax grew by 26.2% to 19.8 billion naira. Net assets also grew by 5.4% to 383 billion naira from 364 billion naira. Also, the Federal Inland Revenue Service recently issued a public notice requesting all dormant companies to regularize all their outstanding returns with the service by 30th June 2020. Based on the public notice, the FIRS is collaborating with other government agencies such as the Nigerian Financial Intelligence Unit, Corporate Affairs Commission, and money deposit banks to ensure that taxpayers duly comply with the provisions of the tax laws. For the key market and economic events to watch today, the Economy and Politics Discuss will explore developing a robust manufacturing sector that keys into the global supply chain with Dr. Muda Yusuf, DG LCCI by 9 a.m. Also, the Market Review program will discuss the May 2020 Nigerian Capital Service Report Key Takeaways with Mr. Saeed Karibe, Director of Research ProShare by 10 a.m. And that's a wrap for this edition of the Market Opening Gong. Visit www.proshareng.com to get more updates from our news stories and videos. Connect with us on our social media platforms displaying on the screen for further updates on our market reports and to watch a live stream of the weekday programs. The ProShare mobile app is also available on Apple Store and Play Store on your mobile device, which allows you to customize your preferred news and videos. Till we come your way again, thank you for watching and do stay safe.